So, Jai Hind guys. So, we are starting the last lesson of the series, I mean algebra series. So, which is lesson number 6, statistics. So, we are starting with the lesson. We are taking mostly two solved example of this lesson. So, listen carefully. So, which is solved example is on page number 134. So, you can also check from this, I mean from textbook. So what is the example? So I am not writing the example on board. I am writing the figures and the table. So I don't think so that to repeat the question. Okay, the question is solved example number 1. The question is the following table shows the frequency table of daily wages of 50 workers in a trading company. Find the mean wages of a worker by assume mean method. Okay, so we have to find the mean wages of worker. So firstly in that question it is given that daily wages of the worker. Daily wages, and in second which is in rupees. I mean it is denoted as RS or rupees, whatever. Secondly it is given frequency, means number of workers. Frequency in bracket number of workers. So how many are they? What are the 200 to 240? 200 to 240. I mean I am writing the question for your sake. What is the question? So again it will get wiped up and then we will solve the solution. So 200 to 40, 240 to 280, 240 to 280, 280 to 320, 280 to 320, and 320 to 360, 320 to 360, and 360 to 400. So what are the frequency? What are the frequency of the workers? It is 5, 10, 15, 12 and 8. 5, 10, 15, 12 and 8. So this is the question that we are going to solve. So now this board is not enough to solve. I need to wipe up. You have get the question. What is the question? So I will solve by the solution. Okay. Hope so you are getting all the videos. I mean you are understanding the videos or understanding the lectures, the topics which is teaching by me and the ma'am. Science, algebra, geometry. If you have any problem you can comment down to the video. So we have to start with class. What that is? Wages. It is called as class. So first column it will be wages. Wages is denoted in rupees. So what are the classes? 200 to 240, 200 to 240, then 240 to 280, then 280 to 320, then 320 to 360, 320 to 360, and last 360 to 400. So these are the classes. After that classes we have to write the class mark. Class mark Class mark is denoted as xi. So what is class mark? Class mark is the middle number from the given slot. If the slot is from if the slot is from 1 number to 10 number, the class mark will be, or the xi will be number 5. The middle number is 5, so it will be 5. Or you can take it as, if you don't know, or it is in points, so you can take it as just take the additions of both the figure and divide it by 2. If we are taking both the addition of the figure, it's come to 100 plus 240 is equal to 440. So 440 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4 and 0 is 0. So it will be 220. Likewise, you can take out the class mark of all the slots. So for first slot the class mark is 220. For second one it is 240 plus 280 divided by 2. It will be 260. So for third it will be 300. You can take out 320 plus 360 upon 2. It will be 340. And 360 plus 400 upon 2. It will be 380. So we have done with the class marks. Two 260, 300, 340, 380. Yeah, it is correct. So now the class mark, how many slots are there? Totally there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 slots. So we have to take the middle slots class mark as assumed, and assumed is denoted by A. A is equal to assumed mean. Assumed mean. If there are 5 slots, so which is the middle slot? So 280 and 320 is the middle slot. So what is the class mark to the slot? It is 300. So 300 is equal to A, means the 300 is we will take it as A, assumed. So what is the work of the assumed? You will get to know in the next column. So next column will be deviation. Deviation is denoted as di. Di is equal to xi. Di is equal to xi minus A. So minus A value, we have given the value of A, which is 300. So we have to take the di. Di means the deviation. So we are taking di. So 220 minus 300. What will be the answer? 220 minus 300 is equal to minus 80. Is equal to minus 80. 300 minus 260 is equal to minus 40. Don't forget to give the signs, negative or positive. 300 minus 300 is equal to 0. 340 minus 300 is equal to 40, and 380 minus 300 is equal to 80. So what is the next step? Next step is knowing the, in question you have given the frequency, that is number of workers. We have to write the number of workers. So frequency in bracket number of workers. Just forgive me for my handwriting because I am not good at the boards. What are the frequencies? 5, 10, 15, 12 and 8. It is 5, 10, 15, 12 and 8. So frequency is denoted by Fi. I will write here Fi. It is Fi. So what is the last? Frequency into deviation. So frequency means Fi into Di. So frequency into I will write upside here what is frequency into deviation. So we can denote it by Fi into Di. Fi into Di. So 5 into minus 80, 8 5s are 40. So minus 400 will be the frequency into deviation first law for the first law. So 40 into 10. Sorry, 80 into 5 is equal to minus 400. So minus 40 into 10 is equal to same minus 400. Don't forget to give the sign of minus. So 15 into 0 is equal to 0. So 40 into 12 is equal to 480, and this will be in positive sign. 480. So 80 into 8 is equal to 8 8s are 64. So it will be 640. So at last we have to take the summation of both the columns. So what will be here? Summation of Fi. Summation of Fi is equal to what will be the total of this column, and for this column summation of Fi into Di. I mean Fi Di. Fi dot Di. Dot sign denotes multiplication. So 5 plus 10 is equal to 15, 15 plus 15 is equal to 30, 30 plus, so here 30 came, 12 plus 8 is equal to 20, 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. So what will be the answer of this side? So 400 plus 400 is equal to minus 800. I mean we have to give the sign of negative, negative plus. So minus 800 and 480 plus 640, 640 640, 740, 840, 940, 140, 140 and 80, 1120, 1120 minus 800 is equal to 320, which is in positive sign. 320. So summation of Fi into Di is equal to 320 and summation of Fi is equal to 50. Our problem is not solved yet. We have to solve the problem with formulas in the next board. Just a minute guys, the camera is yes, the formula to take out the D dash. First we have to take out the D dash. The formula for take outing the D dash is equal to summation of Fi into Di. Summation of Fi Di upon summation of Fi. So it will be equal to, what is the summation of Fi into Di is equal to 320 and summation of Fi is equal to 50. So 0 gets cut, 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30, remaining 2, we have to give decimal points, then 20, 5 4s are 20. The answer will be 6.4. So D dash is equal to 6.4. So next it is given, so what we have to find in the question, we have to find the mean wages. The mean is denoted as x dash. Mean is denoted as x dash. So the formula for x dash is equal to a plus d dash. A plus d dash. D dash means deviation dash. So what is a? In the table we have denoted that 300 is equal to a 300. So you are not getting the whole board. Yeah. So in the column we have tell that in the table, sorry, we have tell that 300 assumed is equal to 300. So we have to write here 300 plus what is the deviation dash, so d dash is equal to 6.4. 6.4, and always here it is 0. Means if we divide it by the complete answer we get 6.4, but when we are solving it further we have to write the 0 after the decimal, after the first decimal. 300 plus 6.40 is equal to 306.40. This is the final answer, the figure of the final answer. The final answer will be the mean wages. The mean wages of worker, the mean of daily wages is equal to the mean of daily wages is equal to 306.40. So this is the final answer of the question. So now we are going to start with example number 2, which is on page number 136. Page number of 1. The question is on page number 135 and the solution is on page number 136. I will write here both. Page number 135 and 136. Just go through it. That there is small change in this example, that I am not going to solve the whole example, I mean the table. So you have to solve the table. I will just tell how to solve the formulas. I mean, if you take out the summation of fi into di and summation of fi, so after that how you have to solve the problem, I mean solution. So I am going to tell, just comment down to the video the table, I mean the summation value, summation of fi and summation of fi dot di is deviation. I will just tell the formulas, and the solution of this example is in page number 136. I repeat, page number 136. So there is small change in this table. So you have to take the ui is equal to di upon g. So what is g? G is equal to, in this example, g is equal to 400. G is equal to 400. Just I will show you how to calculate the calculate this table, I mean this column. So ui is equal to di upon g. In this first they have given di is equal to minus 1200. Minus 1200 upon minus is equal to minus 1200. So what will be g? G is equal to 40. So 0 get cancelled. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 0. So what will be the ui for first one? It will be 30. ui will be 3. It is not 4. G is equal to not 40. G is equal to 400. So these 2 0 get cuts. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. That's it. Not 30. So ui is equal to 3. So just you have to extend the table by after you have written the deviations. So you have to write the ui is equal to di upon g. Ui means mu. The mu is denoted by ui. So just you have to take out the mu of the question, I mean example. So and in this there are 6 slots. There are 6 slots. So how you are going to take the A? A is equal to assume mean. A is equal to assume mean, which I have tell you in the example. So if there are 6 slots, I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If there are 6 slots, their class mark will be 6. So what will be for which class mark, which slot class mark we will take as assuming. So neglect this first 3. So fourth one we will take it as assuming. So whatever is the class mark of the fourth slot, we will take it as assuming. Okay. So now I will be telling the formulas. The formulas will be same as it is on question number 1. I mean short example number 1. So the formula is you have to find the u dash. I mean mu dash is equal to, the formula for mu dash is equal to summation of fi dot ui into ui upon summation of fi. So the final answer, you will get the final answer by mu. Then you have to find the mean. Mean is denoted as x dash. So the formula for x dash is equal to a plus u into g. A plus u dash, the value of u dash into g. Dot, the sign for dot is equal to g, and g is equal to 400. So you have to just substitute all the values in this formula. In both formula, the final answer you will get. Just comment down to the video the final answer of the question. I mean it's not too difficult. If you face any problem, let me know. I will make a video for this question. Okay. So that's it for the series. I mean the lesson is over here. Lesson number 6, statistics, and the revision series is over for algebra. So thank you. Jai Hind.